Hello and welcome to Father's Day at Home by Adare Manor. I'm going to run through everything with you step by step so you can cook this amazing meal at home. Enjoy. Okay, we're going to start with the canapes. Remove the smoked haddock tartlets and place them onto a baking tray. Put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 2 minutes. Remove them and cover the top in the cheese and chive crumb and serve. Right, now onto the starter. Put the pork pie onto a baking tray and place in the oven at 180 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. Meanwhile, remove the pickled radish, cucumber and shallots, tubs 1, 2 and 3 from their containers and put them onto kitchen paper or something similar to drain. Snip off the bottom end of the bag of the mustard emulsion. Now you're ready to plate. When the pork pie is ready, take it out from the oven, bring it to the chopping board. Rest for 2 minutes. Then cut in half and serve it. Okay, now onto the main course. Heat 2 tablespoons of plain vegetable oil in a pan. Lightly season the chicken and place skin side down in the frying pan on a medium heat. Once you've got a nice golden brown colour on the skin of your chicken, put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to prepare the garnish. Have your pan ready on a medium heat. Start by adding container 1 of butter and shallots to your pan. Next, stir in main course containers 2, 3, 4 and 5, stirring continuously. Leave to cook for about a minute, then add in main course container 6 of cream and balsamic vinegar. Cook for a further minute and take it off the heat and keep it warm. In a clean pan, put in main course container number 7, the butter emulsion. Bring to the boil and then drop in main course container number 8, Torched baby gem, and cook for 1 minute. Then drain on kitchen roll. Heat the garlic mash from container number 9 until piping hot. In a clean pan, heat up the sauce from container 10. Now that the chicken is ready, spoon over the beer glaze skin side up from container 11. Then sprinkle over the pistachio crumble from container 12. Now you're ready to plate. The Tarte Tatin should be warmed in the oven at 180 degrees for 12 minutes. cut the tart in half, serve and add the clotted cream from tub 13. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our Father's Day Cook at Home by Adare Manor.